Although movies may depict radiation as a super cool thing that creates stuff like these do, in reality it's a very big problem. If a planet's atmosphere contains radioactively active gases, they will release energy in all directions. This is the greenhouse effect, and these are the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect can cause huge issues. For one, it is the main cause of global warming. Global warming is the rising of temperatures worldwide. As a result, many ice caps and ice layers have begun to melt, leading to rising water levels and dangers in low areas close to the ocean. Secondly, it has caused a depletion in the very layer that protects us all, the ozone layer. The radiation emitted by the greenhouse effect destroys the links in the ozone gas that composes the ozone layer, which brings me to my next point, ultraviolet radiation. The undamaged ozone layer protects the biosphere of our planet from the life-threatening radiation that comes from the sun. Unfortunately, the depletion in it lets some of the UV radiation get through the atmosphere and affect every living organism. The UV radiation is not visible, as the ultraviolet rays have a shorter wavelength than the light. However, we can observe its results using bioindicator species. A bioindicator is any species or group of species whose function, population, or status can reveal the qualitative status of the environment. Amphibians that reproduce in lakes, such as frogs for example, are of great concern. The eggs cannot move and thus are exposed to UV radiation. Studies have shown that this exposure leads to malfunctions and high mortality rates in the larva state. Bioindicators, however, do not indicate only pollution by radiation. They can also show land, water, and air pollution. Land pollution is caused mostly by our litter that is not well managed. Cases may include not recycling, as well as disposal of harmful litter in landfills. Other factors might include things like acid rain, landslides, industrialization, and pesticides. This has major effects on the biosphere. For instance, plants can be devastated by harmful chemicals that make their soil deadly or by landslides. Air pollution is the rising of the levels of many damaging gases, such as sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. This is caused mostly as a result of our industrialization, but can be boosted by natural events, such as volcanic eruptions. It damages the respiratory system of every animal and can make the life of plants very difficult. Air pollution is more visible in big cities such as Tokyo or Hong Kong and forces citizens to wear protective masks against the pollution. Pollution is the contamination of large bodies of water because of human activity, mostly oil spills and garbage. The best bioindicators for this are fish and crabs, as their populations are beginning to dwindle. Most of this damage could be easily avoided by reinforcing the punishments for the polluters. This way, we will think twice before building another factory.